Who are students? They are the future of the country. What if their future are in risk? Without proper ways of examinations in this pandemic, that's where Homely School comes into action. A simple way to give your examinations online with proper security measures. All you need is to log in with your user ID and password and select the subject of your examination. Every question will have a limited time and 4 MCQ options. For fair examination, your screen will be recorded and the webcam will record your movements until your exams are over. You can also use your smartphone if you don't have a webcam. Further, you cannot switch between tabs to search online for answers. In case of emergency, poor internet connectivity or even power cut, you can pause your exams and continue when you are back. All the previous answers will be saved in our database. But this time you will be provided with different set of questions to avoid any kind of cheating. There is also a limit to the number of time you can pause your examination. Homely School is a simple and easy way to conduct examinations with proper security measures. There are also a lot of other features. Remember, this is not a third-party application, it's fully customizable the way you want. Contact us at www.homelyschool.com.